Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the language on our Epson XP-455. Now, this is nice and simple. It can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the printer. And although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make any button presses I do very clear so that you can follow my instructions regardless of what language your printer is in and what language you'd like it changed to. So we're going to start from the home screen of the printer. If you're not already on the home screen, there's a button on the left hand side here. Press that to be taken here. Then we use the right hand arrow here to move ourselves along until we get to Setup, which you can see represented by this icon here. So press OK. And once we're in Setup, we need to go into Printer Setup, which is the third option down. So we press down twice and then OK. From Printer Setup, Language is the fourth option down. So we're going to press down 3 times, then press OK. And here we are. There's a full list of all the different languages your printer uses. English is midway down, as indicated by this little orange line on the bar there. So you can guide yourself to roughly there if you're going for English. Otherwise, just use the up and down arrows to navigate to wherever you need to be. Press OK, and you are done. I hope you found this short video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.